Northeastern states crippling with severe floods. Over 6 lakhs affected in Assam, death toll at above 37. Mizoram, Meghalaya reels under flood water. Rain triggers landslides, homes swept away. IMD issues red alerts for northeastern states. Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal to receive heavy rainfall. Flood situation in the northeastern states, including Assam, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, takes tragic turns as it triggers landslide road blockage, with homes being swept away in many places. Talking about Assam, the flood situation remained critical, with over 6.5 lakh people reeling from the second wave of flooding in 19 districts. The death toll has risen above 37 in this year's flood with storm and landslides. Flood warnings have been issued across 41 revenue circles and 698 villages. Major rivers, including the Brahmaputra at Dibrugarh, Nimati Ghat and Tejpur, along with Subansiri at Badati Ghat, Dikho at Sivsagar, Dichang at Nangla Mura Ghat and Beki at Borpeta Road Bridge are flowing above the danger mark. The flood situation in Kaziranga has not improved yet, as 112 of them are still submerged in flood waters. Meanwhile, Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve in Mongoldoi is currently grappling with devastating floods, causing inconvenience for officials to commute.
আমানো কবলৈ কি আছে কবলগিয়া মানে একোই নাই নাই মানে একো নাইকিয়া হল আজি আমি কালি পৰখি দিনাখনে ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলা কিন্তু আজি ৰাতিপুৱা আমি হিবিয়েলৈ গুচি আহিছো হিবিয়েলৈ অহাৰ পাছৰ পৰা গুটে সকলোৱে আমাক সহায় কৰি আছে থানা ফালৰ পৰা হেই ফালৰ পৰা মানুহ আহিছে আহি আমাৰ হেই যত নেকি পানী বুইছে তাত আমাক সহায় কৰিছে আৰু ইয়াত এনজিও ফালৰ পৰাও আহিছে আৰু সংগঠন ফালৰ পৰা আমাক বহুত সহায় কৰি আছে.
In a recent report, 13 fishermen stranded for 3 days on a river Rhine islet in the Brahmaputra River near Dibrugarh district were rescued this morning by an Indian Air Force helicopter amidst challenging conditions. Schools in Itanagar have been closed from July 2 to July 6 due to flooding. The SDRF and NDRF teams are on standby to deal with emergencies.
পানীটো বহুত বেছিকে বাঢ়িছে আমি যেটা প্ৰথম মই এতিয়া আহিছিলো এই ৰাস্তাটোত পানী নাছিলে এইটো এই কাজিৰঙা নেশ্যনেল পাৰ্কৰ মুখ্য প্ৰৱেশদ্বাৰ ইয়াত পানী নাছিলে এতিয়া আপুনি চাওক পানী গৈ আছে সকলোলৈকে এটাই আহ্বান অসমবাসী এটাই আহ্বান মানে কাজিৰঙাৰ মাজেদি যোৱা অহা যোৱা কৰোঁতেনে গাড়ী লৈ যদি যান বাহন লৈ পেলাই অহা যোৱা কৰে মানে সকলোৰে খাতিৰত যাতে লাহে লাহে গাড়ী চলায়.
The flood situation brought by torrential rainfall has created a devastating across the northeastern region. The natural catastrophe has gripped Mizoram, Meghalaya, Sikkim and other states as well. In addition to the heavy rainfall in the northeastern region, landslides have been also witnessed as the monsoon is currently an active phase, with significant precipitation expected in Meghalaya, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for several northeastern states, forecasting extremely heavy rainfall over the next 3 to 5 days. The Met Department issued torrential rains in the Assam for the next 3 to 4 days. IMD has issued a red alert for all northeastern states, predicting extremely heavy rain as severe flooding continues to cripple Assam and Arunachal Pradesh due to rise in the water levels of the rivers. Along with this, district-wise alerts have also been sounded for the states, especially for areas near the Brahmaputra or any other tributaries. People are advised by the district administration to remain vigilant and inform any government authority at short notice of the immediate intervention of the government in case of any emergency. People are also urged to take necessary precaution to prevent the loss of life and property. News Desk report, Any News.